So, who's gonna go left and who's gonna stay on the right and watch the road? Okay. Unless you have a pistol. Unless you have a pistol. Okay. Like, say you're like 2 feet away from me and you can't just shoot them with your machine gun. You say bang, but if you have a pistol, you can shoot them. Alright, so who's gonna go left? Who wants to
Stay right.
yeah, hey, stay behind this barrel, this giant one, and to watch the road. I'll just go maneuver. Yeah. So, are you guys ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Have sex.
Hey, I'm gonna go through here. You go left, I'll go through here. Hey, I'm leaving the shotgun here. Wish me luck, boys. You're out. You're out. What? Come up here. Come up here. You're fine. Come up here. I killed all 3 of them one time. Yeah, one time. With the pistol. It was sweet. I'm hooked. Hey! It's easier for me to get up there than you guys because